Gittin in the Kitchen is brought to you by Pennzoil and Vinegar, the most bestest dressing exclusively available at Pep Boys. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make my world famous 3 green and gold chopped salad. The ingredients consist of, once you have your ingredients, simply chop them up. Now, put them in a large mixing bowl and get ready to add the flavor and performance your body craves. But before you pour this delicious synthetic mixture on your meal, let me let you in on a little secret. The proper way to shake is with a high-performance vehicle. It's acceptable to toss your salad any way you like, but remember, the magic ingredient is Pennzoil and Vinegar, only available at Pep Boys.